Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version episode on your phone. So as you can see, guys, right here, when we go into the episode game, right here, I can buy whatever I want with this modded version. So as you can see, guys, we have the passes menu right here with unlimited gems, unlock premium stories, no ads, and also unlock all chapters. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this mod. I want to make this video very clear. There is no jailbreaking in this video, guys. This is a totally free method. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how to get this modded version of episodes. So as you can see, guys, we have unlimited gems, unlock premium stories, unlock all chapters, no ads. So we just press activate and wait for it to load, guys. And as you guys can see in a second, no way, no way, no way. Oh my god. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. So what you need to do, guys, is get on your browser. We're going to go over to Google. We're going to go to the search bar, and we're literally just going to go ahead and type in Zoo Mods. Alright, so once you are on this website, guys, what we're going to do is just go to the search bar, and we're literally just going to go ahead and type in episodes. Let me just do that right here. You can see it says episode mod. Press on that, and now it's going to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm even going to show you guys right here. If we go to the App Store, as you can see, guys, like this game is so like destroyed in terms of how you have to buy stuff. So as you can see, guys, if we type in episode and go down to in-app purchases, look how expensive it is, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out, because this actually works. It's super crazy, guys. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, and then you can be a really cool player. So as you can see, guys, I am super rich. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I do not need to buy anything now. Dang, it actually works, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and get the word out about this method, because it's totally updated and super cool. So I haven't had any problems with this method whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. I hope you guys had fun. This is super cool, guys, and it actually works. So yeah, super insane, guys. I'm going to see you in a future video. Have fun with this method, which is totally updated and super crazy.